Hello and welcome to today's MSAB Monday. I'm Adam Furman, Tech Evangelist here at MSAB. Today we're having a look at XRY and mainly we're going to focus on Python. So this is another highlight for the great work that's being done by some of our technical staff within the forum. So if you go to the MSAB Forum, you can see at the very bottom section, Other, we have a section called Python How-To Scripts. So some scripts have been put together explaining how to work with Python and XRY. So once you've had a read of them, you can then dive into the subcategory of Python, where you can see some of the scripts that we've put together. For example, you can see here there's one for a brute force for the Android FreeMA passphrase. All great resources available to you, all for free of charge. All you need is a customer forum login and you'll be able to go in and access these. So how do you use these scripts? When you go in, you will see that the text has been added to relevant threads, and all you simply need to do is to go into the forum, click the copy here. That has now copied the text. You go into your documents folder and you'll see when you install XRY, you're going to have this handy XRY Python scripts. Simply go into there, create a new text file, go into the text file, and what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to copy and paste that information. So we've now got our script copied and pasted, and you can see here there's some parameters that we need to do, so we always need to take that into account and apply them if we need. Once we've hit Control S for save, we can now change the script name to the relevant usage. So for this example, we'll just call it Python, and then you want to change the extension because obviously it isn't a text file, it's going to be a Python script, so .py. Yes, we do want to change it. And now, when you run a device in XRY, you're going to have the option of being able to run that script. Super simple, free of charge, and extra resources available to you. We hope that you've enjoyed today's MSAB Monday, and will join us again soon for some more hints and tips. Thank you.